Hi dears, good morning to all. How's it going? Okay, and we are the teachers eagerly waiting for Thursday. What's the reason? Yeah, we will meet in a live session. So don't miss that one. Each and every child should be present in the live session. Okay, children? And we were discussed about pronouns in the previous class. What do you mean by pronoun? Yes, the words we use instead of a noun that we can call pronouns. And we discuss the pronouns I, he, she, it, they, we and you. If the noun is say a man or a boy, we can use the pronoun he. And if the noun is a girl or a woman, we can use the pronoun she. And when we are talking about an animal or a thing, we can use the pronoun it. And when we are talking about ourselves, for example, my name is Meera. I am a dancer. When we are talking about ourselves, we can use the pronoun I. So all these pronouns I, he, she and it we can use instead of a singular noun. And the next one, if the noun is a plural one, for example, Raju and Meera. In such cases, we can use the pronoun they. If there is more than one person, more than one place, more than one thing, we can use the pronoun they. When will we talk about ourselves along with others? For example, Santosh and I. In such cases, we can use the pronoun we. And the pronoun you we can use with the both singular and plural nouns. And in the previous class itself, I also attached one textual exercises regarding these pronouns. I hope you read that one, and today we will discuss the textual exercises. And shall we go? Tick the correct words and complete these sentences. Here they are given 5 sentences. I will read one by one. First one, Reena and Meena are my friends. We or it play together. In the sentence, the nouns are Reena and Meena and the person who is talking. So, 3 nouns are there. So, we can use the pronoun we. And second sentence, Ravi is hungry. He or you wants a glass of milk. Here the noun is Ravi. Ravi is a boy or a man. So we can use the pronoun he. Then third one, Pinky is a good girl. She or I helps her friends. Here the noun is Pinky. So it's a girl. So we can use the pronoun she. And fourth one, the children are at home. They or he are doing their homework. Here the noun is children, plural, more than one. So we can use the pronoun they. And fifth one, a lion is a big animal. We or it lives in the forest. In the sentence, the noun is lion, a lion, only one lion. So if there is an animal or a thing, we can use the pronoun it. So the answer, a lion is a big animal. It lives in the forest. Rewrite these sentences. Use the correct pronouns in place of the underlined nouns. The first sentence, Mole and mouse saw fly. Mole and mouse were happy. Here the underlined words are mole and mouse. It's a plural noun, more than one. So we can use the pronoun they here. So we can rewrite the sentence like this. Mole and mouse saw fly. They were happy. And second one, Tom is not well. Tom has fever. In the second sentence, the underlined word is Tom. So we can use the pronoun Tom is only one person. So we can use the pronoun he here. So we can rewrite the sentence like this. Tom is not well. He has fever. And third one, the kitten is hungry. The kitten wants milk. In the third sentence, the underlined word is the kitten. The kitten means only one animal. So we can use the pronoun it. So we can rewrite the sentence. The kitten is hungry. It wants milk. Fourth one, Sheila has a new bag. Sheila also has a new lunchbox. Here the underlined word is Sheila. Sheila is a singular noun. So we can use the pronoun she here. So we can rewrite the sentence like this. Sheila has a new bag. She also has a new lunchbox. And fifth one, Mother and I go to the market. Mother and I buy vegetables. Here the underlined words are mother and I. When we are talking about ourselves along with others, we can use the pronoun we. So we can rewrite the sentence like this. Mother and I go to the market. We buy vegetables. So dears, don't forget to complete these exercises in your textbook. And at the same time, you must read the lessons. Okay. And each and every day, you must write and study the new words. If the question answers are there, you must write and study. Then only you can avoid the spelling mistakes. And along with this video, I attached one worksheet regarding these pronouns. You must try to write the correct answers and file it with you. And we can meet in the next classroom. In the next class, we will discuss the question answers from lesson 4. So, children, take care. Bye.